All right, good day, listeners. Today we're going to take a tour on an application that I've developed. This application is known as a CBT. CBT simply mean computer-based text. Computer-based text. Why do we need CBT? What are the various benefits that CBT offers? There are several reasons we can pinpoint, such as immediate feedback. Yes, when students take their exam, you get their immediate they get their feedback immediately. Evaluation and quick decision making, flexible scheduling, user-friendly interface. We talk about adaptive testing, such as some CBT adjust to difficulty of question based on their task takers. Performance, providing more personalized assessment, okay, in such a way that whatsoever this particular student answer cannot interfere with what other persons are answering. So we have environmental control, we have data management. It reduces resource use. Yes, when it has to do with paper, yes, it minimizes the use of paperwork. Okay, thousands of exams can be going on at the same time. Okay, so it also improves security. All right, so very quickly we are going to log in into this CBT application and see how it works. We may not be able to look at all the functionality, but as much as we can, let's manage the time that we have to quickly take a tour around this application. Now, I'm going to log in as an admin, who happen to be the person coordinating the exam. I will log in as an admin. I have a username and a password. If I click sign in, it will take me to the admin dashboard. Here we have a clear catch. What this place does, you clear the past question, okay, because we enter another section. The new semester has come. We clear the past one. We can also clear the past answers, clear past result catch, clear past attendance catch. Okay, that is that for that. Then, if you click on exam management, we have record students, we have upload question, we have download question template, we have stop and start exam, we have download attendance template, we also have a upload attendance, we have copy result, we also have a record exam. We are going to look at this all this functionality one after the other. First and foremost, we are going to start with upload a question. Okay, because I already have a template which I have downloaded. If I don't have template and I don't have question which I'm yet to prepare, I will just come here. I will click on download template. If I hit on this download template, you see that it for us, the template for us. Okay, you see it's showing the name. I'll call it exam template. Leave the name as it is. Click save. You see it has downloaded. If you check your download drop down arrow, you see that there is a download here. Now look at it. Okay, so it has downloaded the file. Because I've downloaded the file, I don't want to start setting exam again because I've already set a question already. So I will come to upload question. Click on upload question, choose the question, the file, the CSV file. Make sure it's a CSV file. Scroll down. Okay, I will come to, let's say I want to pick a particular question, like let's say this question. I pick this question. Okay, I call it a test underscore question. I say okay. Then which course code? I click on this particular course code. All right, then I will now upload it. But because I want to show you how you can upload a student attendance, I don't want to just go and upload question without uploading student attendance first. To do that, I will come to the same exam management, click on upload attendance, click on this file, choose the file. If I choose the file, I will now come here. I will say the attendance is here, this one, choose it, then upload. Once I upload, click upload. It's a student uploaded, successfully uploaded 9 student attendance. Click OK. Now if I click here, you see that we have the whole student. This is all the students who register for this particular course called GST 102. this is other student who register for GST 101. So if I click on GST 101, which I just uploaded, if I click on view, you see the list of all the students. See the list of all the students, their departments, computer science, mass comm, agric, this as the case may be, and they all register this particular course. Now that we've done that, let's go back to upload question. Okay, then click on the question that we want to upload. Then scroll down. I choose this question. I also want to upload it. Then which student are writing this code is student who register for GST 101. I will now say upload. Let's wait for it to upload. Good. Question have been successfully uploaded. Then if I choose, come down here now, check if actually the question uploaded successfully. I'll click on GST 101, click on view, scroll down, you see all the questions are uploaded. This is the course code, the question, option A, option B, option C, option D, and these are the answers. Okay, if you scroll down, there are much. We have up to close to 59 questions here. All right, now that we have uploaded this question, I will go back to start and stop exam to start this exam. Now you can see one exam is running before now. I want to start this GST 101. If I start it now, click on start, I say update. You see exam status has been changed for all students in this particular course. Now exam is running. Now that we have that exam running, I'm going to come and pick one particular student a math number for this GST 101 view. Okay, now I'm going to copy this particular student, this math number. Yes, let me copy this particular student math number. Yes, copy it, then come to then go back here. I will possibly come and say let's write this, let's answer question. It's just 102, and because I have a question there running, come back to the landing page for user interface for students. Now I'm going to paste this math number and click login. The same exam has not started. Okay, now you see, because we have not started that particular exam. Now what I will do now, go back as an admin, start the exam. Okay, click start. It's running now. Now we can go back now and log in. If I come here now, click here, click login, you see it take me to instruction page. Here we can see the instruction for that particular exam. Okay, the student name, the course code, the department, and the few instructions I just put here. You can customize this based on your preference by the time you order this script or this application. We also do installation for institution, organization, as the case may be. If you like this application, feel free on the comment section, drop your comment, contact, and everything will be there. So you let us know where we should improve in this application. So now I'm going to click on start exam. Now immediately I click start exam, you see this is what we are seeing here. Are you getting it? We are seeing a question out of 59 questions that were uploaded. We are saying 1 out of 50 because that is the limit of the total question that we want student to attempt to. 50 questions. Okay, now first question is here. I will answer it. Scroll, go to next. Immediately I click next, this question number 1 will be shaded green background, showing that it has been answer. Next. Okay, then the next one I'll click this one again, depending on the option I want to choose. As I'm indexing next, you see these 2 questions has been answered and it's showing green. Then if I click this one again, next, move. Okay, let me just be answering any question, just be answering anything, just answer anything I like for the test, for the purpose of testing. Let me just answer whatever I like here. All right, now supposing student, children nowadays can be very funny. What they expected in terms of their own limitation as a result of improper preparation, they didn't read as much as they are supposed to read, and they got to exam center, they met different things that they are expecting, or what they are seeing is different from what they read. Okay, Now, the student maybe, he or she may be angry, so okay, I want to submit and leave the hall. He cannot just come and click question number 50 and say submit and leave the hall. It's not possible. Immediately you click question number 50, though it will take you there, but the submit button will be disabled. Are you seeing it? It will be disabled. And if there will be an error message showing that, please, you must answer at least 25 questions out of 50 questions before you can submit. You see? So to do that, let's continue. We'll stop at question number 6. You see, this person cannot click submit because he has not answered up to 25 questions. Question number 7, I'll answer this. Go next. I'll answer this again. Go next. I'll answer this. Go next. If paraventure what I answered before was not correct, I can click a previous, change it. Okay. I'll go next. I'll answer another one. I'll go next. I'll answer another one. I'll click this one. I'll go next. I'll answer another one. I'll go next. I can skip. I can decide not to answer this one. Go to another question. Okay. It doesn't mean I can answer another one. Because I skip it, you see, it will show that it has not been answered. You see the background is showing white, and I've answered 14. Then I can go another one. Answer this one. Go next. Answer this one. Go next. Also answer this one. Go next. Answer this one as well. Go next. Okay. Answer this one. Go next. I've answered 20 questions now. You can see. Answer this one. Go next. We may not be able to finish the whole question because they are much. Once I get to 26, I can stop and submit for the purpose of testing. This question there. I'll answer this one again. Then go next. Then very quickly, I will answer the last one. Then go next. Now that I have it, I can go to question number 15. If I click here, the last question, you see that the submit button, sorry. Okay, how many questions have I answered so far? Okay, there are some questions I skip, mind you. Yes, and I skip 13, so even if it's showing me out of 26, there are still questions that I'm here to answer. Go next. Let's say answer this one again. Go next. Now, I can submit now. Okay, if I click on 15, you see that the button is no longer disabled. It's enabled now. And the error message will no longer show. So I can decide to say, okay, let me just answer one of these questions here. If I like, I'll now click submit. Let's wait. Wow, it says all answers save. Okay, remind you, while we are answering that question, you see that there's a place for passports. Because that particular student did not upload a passport, he just generate one image passport there, more like a negative passport, and put it there. Then we are going to log in with one particular student who has passport uploaded during his or her course registration. Then I'm going to click OK. All right. Now that I've clicked OK here, in the 5 milliseconds it will redirect. Fine. That particular student has was submitted. Now if I go back to the admin page, okay, check. Go to view copy results. For example, if I come to GST 101 and click view scores, you see only one particular student has submitted this course, which is this particular student, and the score 18. This particular student was score 18. All right. Now maybe in the situation whereby there is a dispute. Okay, let me use the word dispute or misunderstanding. So yes, 10 misunderstandings. Okay, a particular student will just come and say, I did well in this particular exam. I scored more than 18. I'm not supposed to have 18 as a score. Okay, then what should we do as administrator? There's a privilege where we can see all the attempts that this particular student made during the exam. You can come to exam management, go to record exam. If I click record exam, let me first of all get this student math number. Go to record exam, scroll down, you say view student answer / attempt. If I go to the course code, it's GNS 101, paste the exam number, then view score. Now scroll down. See the particular student, right? See the particular student, name all the attempt, the department, Anyway, I don't know why it's not showing, but whichever way, let's look at this place. You see the score. This is the attempt. The correct answer here is A. He got it A. Correct answer here is C. He got it C. Now here, correct answer here is A. He got C. 0. C is 1. D, correct answer, but he scored B. 0. C, scroll down, you see. It will now show you the grand total of that particular score of that particular student, of that particular exam for the that particular student score. You see, this is how we can what prove that that particular student, this is actually what you want to score. Okay, no confusion here with this. You can check as many as you can index it with the data table. You can see the last row of that particular question that he or she answered. Let's look at it. Okay, now that we've got this, out of 50 questions, this student answered only 26 questions. You see it here. All right, even the last one, he got 1, 2. B to B is correct. All right, now I want to log in with a different different student. Come to upload the attendance for GST 102. Yes, we want to write another course. Okay, let me see this particular student. Let's say this particular student again. All right, copy this mark number. Since the exam is already running, I don't need to start it again. I will come here, click here. Good. You pick the name, pick the course code, pick the department. I will now click start exam. You see, it picks the picture of this particular student because this particular student actually uploaded their passport while he was when he was registering. Now I can still answer question for this. Click next. You see, I already show you how this works. Why I try to log in again is because I want you to see that this passport can be echoed here. And click next. Then you come again, click next. You come again, click next. Just want to answer any question for the purpose of testing. Then click next again. Click next again. Click next again. Okay, just also click next here. All right, select your answer and click next. We already know how CBT is being operated. Then we come here. We also click here. Also click here again. Just answer. Let me just be answering. 13 questions. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, let's say 19, as the case may be, 20. Don't mind me, I'm just answering anything I like. Okay, 21, 22. Okay, this one no question here, no option. 23. Okay, 24, 25. Let me see if I can answer the whole question for this particular student. 26, 7, 28. Let me say I stop here. I can click submit by going to the last question and click what? Submit. If I decide to answer this and click what? Submit. All right, let's wait. Wow, you see all answers saved. Okay, in the next 5 seconds it will redirect us to login page. Okay, wow, done. Now if I go back as admin to check the score of this particular student, I can as well come to copy result. Come here, GST 102, view score. All right, see, this is what this particular student have answered. One person has also answered this question before, so we have 2 students here. Now if I want to copy this result and submit to the exam director or to the board of exam director, I don't need to just begin to look for how I will download it. It's already having a button here. I've already created a button here. We have export to PDF, we have export to CSV, export to Excel. You can even copy it. So if I click export to PDF, let's see what happens. See, it generates and pick the name GST 102, I'll not say underscore results. Just rename it, hit save. Wow, it has downloaded. If I double click here, it will open it on a browser for me. You see, look at it. Course code JC 102. These are the results. All these students did not answer the question. The 2 students that answered the question, it actually picked their scores. Okay, so you can as well come back here and also export it to essay. If I click on export to essay, it will also pick the name. All right, it's downloading. It doesn't take time because it's a very lightweight application. Okay, it's a very lightweight let's open it in essay. Let's open it in essay. You see it's opening. Let's open it in essay. Let's just give it a few seconds. Once it's done, we'll see the same score that we got from that PDF and see if it tallies. Okay, so you can actually export it to essay, PDF, CSV, as the case may be. You see, it's open, and we have it the same way. We got it from the same way from the PDF. Okay, you see, these are the score. These are the students, the math number, the course code, and the department. So it's working. It's working. All right. Now we've been able to see that. Which other function I want to show us this is let's talk about. We've talked about record exam. We've talked about copy exam. We have uploaded attendance. We have shown you how to stop and start exam. We also show you how to upload the question. Okay. Yes. This is also what they call record student. If I come and put one particular student math number here, let's say this same student who scored this math exam. If I come here, copy that math number, if I paste it here, I say fetch. You see, it will pull out that particular student here, name, exam number, course code, department, and the score. Okay. Okay. I can decide to clear this past exam for this particular student. I can clear it. All right. If I click on clear, it will clear it off. All right. So there are a lot of functionalities here in this application. And again, supposing this student who have answered this question now say, okay, I will go back again because I did not write well, and go back to this landing page for his student interface and click enter his or math number again and click login. What will happen? Let's see. You have already answered the question before. Contact the administrator. You see, you cannot answer it when you have submitted. Because you've submitted before, you cannot just come again and start answering another question. So this is how far we can go on this video, on this CBT. There are much to it. There are a lot of things. Maybe as time we can add more functionality, but everything that any institution need, organization need to conduct a CBT exam is already embedded in this application. If you have your comment, if you have a suggestion, drop it on the comment section. Feel free to like this video, feel free to subscribe, and don't forget to share this video to as many as you can, friends and relatives. I want this video to go far. Please support me with that. Thank you for your time once again, and remain blessed.